currently walking to our homestay. Alright, so we have our tour guide Tuan here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about Ha Long Bay.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay that was recognized by the UNESCO as one of the heritage site of the world in 1994, and we were very honored to be elected to be one of the 7 natural wonders of the world in 2011. There are more than 2,000 islands in the Ha Long Bay. Most of them are limestone mountains, and we have floating villages, more than 40 islands inhabited by the human being. Please come to visit Ha Long Bay.
All right, thanks, Tuan. Yeah. So we're starting off the day with a little bike ride tour of Hoi An. We're currently visiting Mi Sun Temple. It is very rainy and very wet, as you can see. It's in the middle of wet season, but it's still absolutely beautiful. We're touring the ruins and getting to see the UNESCO heritage site. Hopefully you can see through the raindrops on the camera.
Got my swim trunks and my fluffies.
Okay, I just really want to be sure I feature all of the bonsais this villa has. So many great bonsais. Okay, just a few more bonsais to showcase. This is a good one.